Hi friends, welcome back to Madhu Meenu's kitchen. Today we are making a delicious and easy poached egg curry, perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need: 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of onion coconut paste, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of hing, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken masala, water, oil. Heat some oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of hing. Next, add 1 chopped onion and saute until they become translucent. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute for 2 to 3 minutes until the raw smell disappears. Tip number 1. Making ginger garlic paste at home is easy and it's much fresher than store-bought. Check out the link in the description for the quick homemade ginger garlic paste recipe. Add 3 tablespoons of onion coconut paste and mix well. Time to spice it up. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Add a little water to prevent the masalas from burning and mix everything together until the spices are well combined with the onions. Cook for another 2 minutes. Add water to the pan to achieve your desired curry consistency. Bring it to a boil. Now add salt to taste. Mix well. Add 1 spoon of chicken masala. You could add water as per your requirement. Cover the pan with a lid. Break the eggs one by one in a separate bowl and gently slide them into the curry. Be careful not to stir them. Tip number 2. Always break eggs into a separate bowl before adding them to any recipe. This way, if you encounter a bad egg, it won't ruin your entire dish. Cover the pan with a lid and let the eggs cook in the curry for about 5 to 7 minutes. Let it simmer for another 2 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the oil comes up and the eggs float to the top of the curry. Your egg curry is now ready to be served. Garnish it with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Serve this delightful egg curry with chapati, rice or naan. And there you have it, a simple and tasty poached egg curry. If you have enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Closing tip: remember, experimenting with your spices can bring a new dimension to your dishes. Don't be afraid to adjust the spice levels according to your taste. Happy cooking!